So class, today we are going to revise about the storage device and also learn about something new, that is cloud storage. So first of all, what is data? Data is the information that we store inside the computer. So for example, your worksheets, documents, your movies, videos, songs, these are the examples of data. Storage devices. Now we use the storage devices to store the data inside them, and then we can carry them from one place to another. Some of the storage devices are very small in size, so it makes it easy for us to carry them from one place to another. These are the examples of storage devices. First, we have the CD and DVD. A DVD can store more data than a CD. The tray on top of which we keep the CD or DVD to insert it into the CPU is called as your CD or DVD drive. Next is your pen drive. Pen drive is also called as flash drive. It is a small storage device which is used to transfer data from one computer to another. Yes, and the pen drive is attached in the computer through the USB port. The rectangle slot, the hole which is there on the side of the laptop or in front of the CPU. Then we have data cards. Now, data cards are also a storage device. Some of the laptops have a place or a slot where you can put the data card. But some computers or laptops don't have this feature. Then what will you do? You will use a card reader. You will insert the data card in the card reader, and then you can connect the card reader to the CPU or your laptops. Next is your hard disk. External hard disk, it is also a big storage device. It can store a lot of data, and you connect it to the USB port of the CPU. Do you know there are some storage devices that we cannot touch, but they help us to store data? These are called as cloud storage. So, in cloud storage, we store the data online. How we store your the data in your pen drive or CD or DVD? The same way we can store data online. So, while using your parents' mobile phone or your laptop or computer, you might have come across these words. You might have just seen these words: Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, MiCloud, OneDrive. So, these are the different cloud storage. So, cloud storage is when you store the data online.